Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable light mode on LinkedIn using your PC. With the recent updates, switching between dark and light modes has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Me icon. This icon typically features your profile picture. Click on the Me icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, find the Account Preferences section on the left sidebar. Click on it to expand the options available under this category. Here you'll see a variety of settings related to your LinkedIn experience. Now, look for the Display option within the Account Preferences. Click on it, and you will find an option labeled Dark Mode. This is where you can customize your display settings. When you click on Dark Mode, a pop-up will appear with three choices: Device Settings, Dark Mode, and Light Mode. To switch to Light Mode, simply select Always Off, which corresponds to Light Mode. This setting will ensure that your LinkedIn experience is bright and easy on the eyes. Once you've made your selection, there's no need to save changes manually. LinkedIn automatically saves your preferences. Now you can enjoy browsing LinkedIn in light mode. To recap, here are the steps. 1. Open linkedin.com and log in. 2. Click on the Me icon at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down. 4. Go to Account Preferences. 5. Click on Display. Choose Dark Mode and select Always Off for Light Mode. And that's it. You've successfully switched to light mode on LinkedIn. Enjoy your brighter browsing experience.